Yamwa watching, Yamwa kwa Badwam TV, Badwam Jumadi no, so na ye de radiation so send nay. Walking at us a phone, minu me no see any much FB. Jumadi na ni asase, Bray Adom tour, a G mono, the Adu sono, a Adom TV, Badwam Cassia, some no dosso. Near to your mobile, Obertini, or so for share trade and industry so. Actually, Mugusu, Chiremu, DNT, Ususu, say, I was saying Yamra, a ball cement and a price. Ene ne ya no eho ban ye de honsam no nchemu so ebebro na fe plan international for the to dwanzetwefo yenkoso na yemmo dawro no efa ema yenso yenya chefa ewo tumidie mu na tumi abo no nsem na no pay mere bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe me live ewo Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV channel ne 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube Wada Roma wo search ya o de share Adom TV 2 Oba adomonline.com so ansem nyina no ya de agu ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de msem no nchiremu no eni Osofo ya wo no share trade and industry so owura Keti Hamono so echiremu de ntia was amamra bi eda wono de hwe cement no bo no ebeye pe e wo ba bia Nemum enye se bia nkran yesi okotamale a yesi na afen so niema no so eye papa se be ya ebeboa wo ya dansie emu nyina Adom TV kase etoso
You never see cement prices de-escalating. It's always escalating. It's always going up through the ceiling, through the roof, and towards the skies. Somehow, something has to be done about this. At a point in time, we were not producing so much cement in the country. Now we have an installed capacity of over 11 million tons in the country. Our demand is nothing like 11 million, so it must be a very profitable enterprise. But I think it behoves on those in responsible positions in authority to ensure that the good people of Ghana are not fleeced.
Said the Bribia cement boar essence, nane boar edne no, one more to be no echiremua, at your haupa and a bawonomoso. Then some more did to Janimun Chirimun.
Now, I take the view that it's about time that the country was better served by those who are selling this product to us. So come to Accra, you have, it used to be 80, whatever. When I last checked with those in the product, the sector, was a situation where they said they were selling at 80-something cities, but the next they knew somebody was selling at 90-something and was without authority. And it's been so haphazard. I strongly believe that there must be some sanity in the system. Now, to ensure that there's sanity in it, in the law, the LIA about the pricing, about manufacture, cement manufacturing that we just talked about, I introduced a committee to take charge of the activities that are
Plan International Ghana gusua ya wo editor nsantwefo ani mo se ne ye no yankoso anye na yentume emwa na emma yenhye won mo eden na position bia nsoma ye betumi enya mu chefa ebiemu ne won mo identity ahwehwe so de amansantwefo binum ewo eye enkran na won mo nkoma wo mu didie ne pa no efa se ye hyema afunu mu dene ne ahye won mo de be bi on do onan besie bia nso de bema won betumi aye adwuma ni ye emu nsem no kase edeba
de ye pese media for moye ne se ye wo ma kakra omo wo leadership role amu bo wo so talk about them, talk about the good things that women are doing. Man omo ya de no say na the younger ones betimi ahwe wo, and then they will be encouraged to also take up leadership role.
Mami efasa akwanya no so e de adesrede to nsamtwofo nyina animu se wono momo ase be adwumadi a wodie no obetumi atoaso aye aboa ma.
It's just about women empowerment or girls empowerment. Yeah, who say Ghana ha mad also, but there should share leadership. Man should and also sir. Most positions are being occupied by men. And it's up to today, the situation and yes, society mema still also same man. So she leads project way. Yeah, designing or sena ebesi are encouraging young girls so that omunyinia omadwen nyina beko leadership.
Operations Manager Adom Multi Credit Savings and Loans war Nkoko branch and a Nkoko Magistrate Court no abono kwadu se oba bia wonene ye adwuma na adwuma ye mu no ne sika wode ba ye na so 90 cedis papa na bro no bro trauma ewi akira kopie court e mu nsam Adom kase eto so
Sena the younger ones
nti we no director ntimi amo yento so na yonkonsam foforo emu dia make say nipa baako yenhunu onipa ko ba bi ofiri ene ade wato na nanom nse do mudunum so wonmo epra abra wonmo sprinter bus a won team ne number agin yi 6792-23 nyankwanhia ewo danten a ben Nkoko Accra ne Kumase kwantempon so
31 and first station. No, I say I attend it. Robert 12:37 now or you buy a bit and said car now involved in I'm a nipa and car 18 at the spot 18 no the moon babu I reported and other injured persons in the rescue of my Adom for Holy Family.
Now, at the end, it's in your kind of question.
Okay, to my investigation, we said for a crown and that is happening to my son. Retired, very tired, and living now.
Sule Mohammed, a you will be an war honor bra, a quenchiano esi, what she must say. Na ehyen edi America tente pa na wokoto pothole bi mu ene ma tai no epa ya edi akwanhia no ebai
na ye bebedu ohase ne hu se kan afa no WhatsApp kef no so
na ka ben
sprinter ma hu number no because na sana aye no mama ba je number no pra afede ni wi ana kan ayira na mi na ka tem se kan atobon kan ni mo apani ampa ma taxi de wan dina e kokoye na ampa atobon kan si ade ye tiba yi nkofo ni bia ma o mako Holy Family Hospital ya ba am direct drivers most ni so mo fo mo na se aka ni pa mi enu bi o mo sha ase a o mo de
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso shano na one more can lock up investment holders forum one more atrankrata koma mrashibija for say one more sika aka ehwono ma bantu ama wo mo no one more ebesre se media budget no de nke bebe mu Adom TV kase ene mpanifo yi ekasai
House of Chiefs, Council of State yet we come on nyina nti ewe ya asade ya pria no ene ya sande krata afoforo akoma parliament na no de ne de akoma parliament ye petition ya ne say parliament speaker on impressing on the Ministry of Finance say afia mid-year review budget or de be call parliament no onfa ye sika provisions so enka ho enhye budget mu so the share budget mu man sade a ene e memegina biom ne ehunu say ya make provision for us
enwechi wonum bi ekakuo yi ho ya sese wo sika kodin sesem eni Adom kase yetwetwe enkoma wo kire se ye boapayo ena so ye no eye
ba fe sika ye sika nse sa enye ye e boapaye eti da bia no oni ho da bia obi a edi wasi adwuma no tichiru adwuma tichiru akasese ano na wo da bia woni ho how
the AC wo finance ministry bia no wo munim yen petition na ye de ba ministry any Bank of Ghana last year any ye de ba ye na ya di echire sa ebesi sa abre enti ebesi sa abre nyina na
ekokuma wo mrashibija fie mu nso je enchiremu sika one more no 2023 African Games no emo
I have gone through the entire 15-page statement that the Honorable Minister has presented. There is no mention of how much this country has spent on the games. What is the Honorable Minister concealing from this House? What is he hiding? Why can't we be told? Already, we have raised concerns about the huge expenditure, way beyond what this House approved. We know that about $195 million was spent on infrastructure. Then we intercepted documents that revealed that they had budgeted to spend $48 million on so-called operational expenses.
We have spent not less than $245 million for this whole hosting of the event.
Wanu si yepe ena Adom kese omrahye bedwafie enso kire wadwen ewo ensemu a soafo a wo hwe agokansie ene mabunu so e de betu dwa no eho.
This is public accounts. It's not for nothing that Article 187 of the Constitution provides that accounting for the usage of public funds should require some period. And indeed, it is 6 months after the expiry of the financial year that this should be properly accounted for. They have finished their work. Instead of commending, Mr. Speaker, instead of commending the minister for a good job done.
Jamtinani de my electoral commission Jane Mensa assign akansi sudu biom sat na ye no wombe ye ne wombetumi bia ye bobo ye hui ato aba ya to awie asumdue ebekoso.
Commission, we are committed to ensuring peaceful, fair, free, transparent and credible elections that are accepted by all. We are also planning to take up the registration exercise in all the prisons across the country. We've worked closely with the Ghana Prison Service. They provided us with the needed statistics to make the arrangements to ensure that prisoners and those who are incarcerated will have the opportunity to register to vote. We've also talked about some of the policies that we've put in place that we believe have gone a long way to foster the needed peace.
Dream training Edema National Peace Council, Reverend Dr. Ernest Jamfi, and so to just say
Peace Council no ECDA. They be a jumabum or can be so to do election Bressoa. Nti ene easy for besrai na ehia maso meboy amane niam omo de ato to kwemu e free sabre ko si bra election no ebeba to mo kan ne nyina akire timetable registration omo ye ne ko si ye ne ho nsem nyinara e ma yenso ye kwan ma ne amanfo akekeka ne ne omo de abetoto ye nimu no yeso de busibisa omo chechire mu e ma ye se kwan omo fa so ye bibi na nsem to yeso masesan penifo ni bi na ye nsem hunu ko fonti ase o se ebisa omo kire ase mi hunu ba bi a eda totu omo ye nyina na ebisa omo to chechire ni nyina ase e ma ye na no so na yenso ne ha yen a amanfa kan che yenso de to wanimu se ne be ya omo so be hunu kwan be fa so no matoto to niama se ne
Penny and one of that new force. I know you're not Kwame Bedia Con, what you are to Ghana for you name se want to Abama or Candinia. Bibi Essin and so the Badwam may or how I would I ye femo or the two Jabra on the 4 workers so a timber market. Is she?
They say, and Tatia, and no course, no. Now, and so back. And the first chinye enti sabre wonu ba bia wugina gina hoye na hu se one peja umu na one take decision 5 years from now 10 years from now oba ba ebenya hu mfaso a mema obia ma won take sa decision no. And since I me person me catch up to come for say taxes in there you better so na mom no ayaduma and say the back chrome ha
Adom News in Central for any dwedifo yi bi atwetwe nkomo na womo nso edi to dwa se ohwe nsema new force penny edi to dwa e kame aye se Ghana for agini tuma obetimi edi nsakire aba omamu a
ani sine bi bro da da ye ya tuma mo mo ba o mutimi nya hwe ma ye ya kwa e bibia anye enti se kwam bedi akobeto na ba dai
obetuma be nyina ma ye me hwɛ nim sɛ ade a obetumi aboa youth no ama ɔman ni mu adwode a anka yɛ toma na yɛ because MPP ni NDC for no de ya hwa ye hu de ɔmo yɛ sikadie no na ye ministers ni mpani for no de ɔmo bɛ yɛ bɛboa ɔmo na ɔmo yɛ sɛ we yaba na obetumi ayɛ bibi a bɛboa ɔman no youth ni wɔ mu no ama nipa yɛ ho atɔ yɛn a why not yɛ bɛtɔ ama no ni nye
Mami nyina no so na Adom TV bedwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay me de asi me da wose pa wo mre no wadaje rade hwe so mfa nkomra somdwem ne mum koso na ne yentna wo Facebook/Adom TV extra woko YouTube nso Adom TV tube woko adomonline.com ansam no so e wo ho ye kwa ba fi se de bonkrata na ba online de no so wom ye de to so ye nche kra ye kwa ba